In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to outline an image in GIMP. This is a quick, reliable way to make your subject pop for thumbnails, stickers, and social posts, and will keep everything clear and simple so you can follow along with confidence. Start by opening your image. In GIMP, go to File, then Open, and choose the file you want to work with. Larger, higher resolution images generally produce cleaner outlines, but any image will work. If your picture already has a transparent background, you're ahead of the game. Next, let's remove the background, which is optional but highly recommended for a clean outline. You have a few tools to choose from. Fuzzy Select is great when the background is a single, solid color. Select by color is helpful when that color appears in multiple places. Foreground. Select is best for busy photos where you want GIMP to isolate the subject. Use the tool that fits your image. Refine the selection if needed, and press Delete to remove the background. If Delete doesn't make the background transparent, it likely means your layer doesn't have transparency yet. In that case, right-click the layer in the Layers panel, choose Add Alpha Channel, and press Delete again. Take a moment to zoom in and clean up any leftover edges so your selection is crisp. With your subject isolated, turn it into a selection. In the Layers panel, right-click your image layer and choose Alpha to Selection. You'll see the marching ants appear around your subject, which tells you the selection is active and ready. Now it's time to create the outline. Go to the Select menu, choose Grow, and enter how thick you want the outline to be. For most images, something in the range of 5 to 15 pixels works well. Larger images can handle a bigger number. This step expands the selection outward so the outline sits just outside your subject. Then go to Edit and choose Stroke Selection. In the dialog, select Stroke Line, choose Solid Color, and pick your outline color. White and black are classics, but feel free to pick any color that complements your image. Apply the stroke by clicking the Stroke button. GIMP will draw a smooth border around your subject based on the grown selection. If the outline looks too thin or too thick, you can undo and try a different Grow value until it's just right. Finally, deselect to get a clean view of your result. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus A, and you're done. You now have a neatly outlined subject that's ready to use wherever you need it.